Baljit Singh founded NoorVeer Creations Private Limited, a garment export and manufacturing company, in 2010. After establishing Achiever Creations Private Limited, he started as a young operative in the design and merchandise department in 1987 and has been the driving leader to transform NoorVeer Creations into a multi-million-dollar organization. The company is reputed within the clothing industry for delivering high-quality garments and for providing multiple processes of manufacturing under one roof. NoorVeer Creations' advanced technology and world-class manufacturing infrastructure, spread around a vast 100,000 SKU FT production area, allow it to produce around 125,000 garments per month. Currently, the organization has an annual turnover of $10 million, which results in over 100 millions of dollars worth retail products.